So hello guys, today we are going to have some basic definition of the parameters used in thermodynamics. So the first basic definition is of energy. What is energy? So we can define energy as capacity of a system to perform work. The next definition is of heat. So heat is energy transferred in a process due to thermal forces. Heat is a form of energy. So heat can be defined as energy transferred in a process due to thermal forces. This is very important. Now the next definition is of work. Work is energy transferred in a process due to non-thermal forces. And what can be the non-thermal forces? It can be either mechanical force or chemical force or magnetic force, etc. So one thing we have to keep in mind that energy, heat and work are the form of energy. Now work can be fully converted into heat. That is, work can be fully converted into heat, but heat can't be fully converted into work. This is a very important thing you have to keep in the mind. Now, what is the difference between energy, heat and work? So energy is a property and heat and work are the form of energy. So, now the basic definition of temperature and pressure. What is the difference between temperature and pressure? So temperature is a potential to transfer energy as heat, while pressure is the potential to do mechanical work. So the main thing is energy is a property, while temperature and pressure are potential. So energy is a property and temperature and pressure are potential. The next definition is mechanical equivalent of heat. So amount of mechanical work required to produce a unit of heat, that is W by Q. Here W represents mechanical work and Q represents heat. And the value of this constant W by Q is 4.184 joule calorie inverse. This is which is basically dimensionless, because joule and calorie both are the dimension of energy. It will cancel out. So this is the first video of our lecture series on thermodynamics. So please subscribe us and keep following us for the further videos.